let's jump to the lab now. So all of you came back, right? Yes, I can see Vikas.
Yes, Taj.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Taj.
Okay. So this is the topology, guys. So right now, I can use this layer multi-layer switches. So let's take my. So right now, just I want to use my layer 2 switches. Okay. So what I will do, I will take my layer 2 switches now. Okay. While connecting, guys, so please make sure that, okay, while you connect the cable, okay, don't take auto. Okay, so take manually, take straight through cable to connect. When you connect to the other switch, make sure you connect with the gigabytes interface, guys. Okay, so I'll use these 2 gigabytes ports to connect it. So it takes time to come up. So at the same time, so I will take the devices to connect. I will take 2 laptops and 2 servers there. So let it connect this way. So here also I want to connect manually. Okay. So let me connect this first port number 1, that is interface 1. I'll connect to this server, and 2 I'll connect to this. And here I want to connect to say 6. So I will tell you why I have connecting like this. And here I will connect to 6 and 7. And this I will connect 11 and 12. Okay, so now we'll check, guys, who is the root bridge now. You can see both links are up, right? The green color, right? You can see, right? Okay, so both are up now. So one, it is blocked. Can you notice here? Right, we can see, right? Amber color, it is blocked. Right, you can see if you just click there, just make it big, this one. So I have noticed here, so there is a no on and off button, guys, on your switch. Only direct your power card. And this is your, yeah, this is your console port. These are the ports where you have connected. And this is the port which is connected for your another switch, which is this switch, guys. Which is this switch I have connected. And this is your Catalyst 29,000 series. Cisco Catalyst switches. Okay, so now I enter to the switch now. So enable. So some of the basic command, guys, show version, some commands which I not explained. So in your slide, it is there. These are the very basic commands. Just go through it. Okay. So it will show you the which version we are using. Okay. The series is C2960 series switch, and this is our model number. And these are the details of the switch. What is the MAC address of this switch? Okay. And these are motherboard series number, your revised number. You can see this all details. Now, so if you type show spanning tree, so as we can see, these all ports are connected. Okay, so now we can see which are the ports is connected to the down the line. You can see gigabytes ports, right? These 2 ports.
Yes.
Which is connected to the another switch, right?
Another switch.
So as you are, you can notice here. So one port is blocked by default, right? This will act as an alternate link. This alternate link. Alternate link is redundancy,
Redundancy link.
redundant link.
Redundancy.
Redundancy link. The connection type is your point to point, P2P. Okay. So now if I go to this interface, which is blocked, okay, what happens? See here. So now I am going to explain how the spanning tree works. Okay, then I'll tell you what is these values. Root ID, this all parameter we shall discuss now. So before that, what I'm going to do is I want to, this block port is right. Okay, this block port will come up. Okay, now what I will do, I will shut down this interface. So how to do the shutdown, guys? So go to global configuration mode. If you want to change the switch name also, we can change. We can give entity security team. Okay. So RS LCG security team switch 1. Okay, this is how we can change your switch name for identification or internal identification. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will go to interface gigabyte 0 slash I think 2, I think 1. Yeah, it's 1. Okay, 1. Enter into that interface, give shutdown. So as you notice, guys, here now it is down, right? Right now, if you type do show span means spanning tree. You can see it's listening, right?
Yes.
Listening. Now you check do show up interface. Now it is learning. Right now you check once again. Still it is learning. Still is learning. Now it is forwarding. Can you notice here?
Yes.
Now it has become your forwarding. Now it is down, completely down, right?
Yeah.
Now it is completely down from other side. Now this guy has come up now. Means this guy has become your both side links are down now. Only one, there is no redundancy now. What happens? The loop will create here. Only one, we are depending upon only one link now. Right? If you check for this switch, so go to global configuration mode, give the host name. So I'll give NTP cyber security switch 2. If you do show span, so we can see only one port are forwarding. The cost is 4. You can see, right? The cost is 4. Why? Because we have connected the gigabytes ports, right?
Yes.
Right. So one port is done. Suppose if you go to that interface, you give no shutdown. Okay, go to that interface gigabyte 0 slash 1. You give no shutdown because other side is down. This is up now still. So what we have to do? Go to this switch. Okay, go to the again same interface gigabytes. So it's not showing at all because it's completely down. Because manually we did, right? So go to that interface gigabyte 0 slash 1. You no shut. So now you do show spanning tree. So now it is block port is listening right now. Port number 1 is listening now. Now it is learning. LRN means learning. So it will become forwarding now. Yes, right? Can you see now? And this guy will become the root port now. This interface. We can see it has come back again. Okay, so it takes such a long time, so which in the production network, which I told, so which is not acceptable. Okay, so because in those are in time bound. Okay, there's no communication between the switch 1, switch 2. Of course, we'll be having another link because one link is very risky, right?
Mm.
So one link is very risky to depending upon the one link. Okay, so now come to this part now, show spanning tree. So what is talking about? We can see these parameters, guys. So who is the root bridge now? Right now, I am the switch 1 now. So we can see the priority bit by default is 32,768. So actually it is 768, the priority plus system ID. That's the reason it's showing 769. The cost is 4 and MAC address also is showing. But this is not your root bridge. Right? Now check who is the root bridge now. And go to this switch. Okay. Show spanning tree. So we can see this guy is the root bridge because of the MAC address. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
And cost is 4 and both are into forwarding state because both are into forwarding state. Now, so now you want to make these guys a root bridge. How we can make? These guys are not a root bridge, right? You can see, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
This guy is not root bridge. I want to make these guys a root bridge because when you buy your switches, guys, so we have to make the root bridge for the switch which has got higher capabilities in terms of the hardware and its features, like ports and features. What are the license things we can configure? How many VLANs we can create and how many VTPs we can create? Port security. That all things based on that we should decide. So in our scenario, I want to show you how we can make the root bridge. There are two ways we can make the root bridge. Right now, this switch one is not your root bridge. So I want to make this as a root bridge. So how we can make? Go to global configuration mode. Okay, spanning tree. Give the question mark. It will show you the option. Okay, spanning tree mode. If you type the mode, sorry, spanning. Give the question mark. Sorry, not here. Spanning tree. I think this will not work. VLAN. Okay, so VLAN 1. Yeah. So here, guys, first understand. So when you type show VLAN, when you are into global configuration mode, guys, please remember. So when you want to use spanning tree protocol, show it will not work here. Because when you want to use do show spanning, it will work. Because when you are into global configuration motion mode, like same thing in Linux, guys. When in user mode, so you need to add sudo, right? I think how many people are aware of the Linux?
Sudo. Yes.
Yeah, sudo we need to add. So here also do show span, short form. Or spanning tree, if you know good in typing, we can type a spanning tree. So now we can see, I want to make this guy as a spanning tree, your root port. Okay, spanning tree, to give the question mark. Okay, as you know that all the ports by default are exist in your VLAN 1. Okay, give the VLAN 1. Okay, so there are two methods, whether you can go for the priority. Okay, if you give the priority, so it will show you the incremental form. I think Rakesh, I think you asked this question, right?
Yes.
Yes, the bridge priority is incremental of your, so 4096. So up to here value we can give it 0 to 365. So other way of doing this one is our root. We can give the two options. Here it will give the two options.
Yeah.
Primary or secondary. So right now I want to make, let me complete spanning tree VLAN 1. Okay, root. If you type, I want to make this guy as a primary, means automatically to take the number. Okay, that's it. So now if you type show spanning, okay, this guy will become the root bridge, right? You can see, right?
Mm-hmm.
The value has come down, right?
Okay.
Right. Now check with this PC. Show span. See, now these guys no more root bridge. So this is how we'll do. Manually also we can assign. We can select whichever switch you want to. Like selection of the team lead guys. I think Diva Bharati is a team lead, and she know the entire process, how to handle the customers. She has experience. Okay, that's the reason they have made a tool because same thing in this group. Okay, so who will perform, who has good capacity, and who is a high end devices here, so that we can make your root bridge. Understood, guys? Is it clear, right?
Yes.
1 second, guys. I got call from HR team.
Nice office man, Satya.
Thanks, buddy.
Change the background, right?
It's look like he has taken the whole floor of entity to his house. क्यों ब्रो चुराते हुए शर्म नहीं आई क्या?
किसको चिढ़ा रहा है सत्यव्रता?
हाँ
किसे चिढ़ा रहा है
yeah,
मिस्टर सत्यव्रता साहू?
yeah, he has
किसको
taken the
चिढ़ा
whole
रहा
floor right to his house. Odia. He has taken to Odia, ran away.
Uh,
How's it going, Yash?
very good.
Awesome.
Fabulous. Awesome.
Fabulous.
Satya, show your office, no?
Yeah, Vikas is showing his office. Just look at him.
No, da. Not me.
No, da.
No,
No, da.
No, da.
Usually we call it
This
as
is
da, no, da.
this is the
That's not da.
signature. This
Da.
is signature top of Vikas. No, da.
Yeah.
For
And what's
everything,
yours?
Alda.
Yeah, bro. I have
So
nothing
what's-
like signature words. So this is my
Your
Yeah,
office.
office is very good. Okay.
Yeah.
है देखो क्या दिखा रहा है.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा विचार है.
सत्यव्रता शर्मा क्यों रहा है भाई तू?
You're alone, Satya. Where are your
क्या
colleagues?
करें मैं पहली बार लड़की देखने जा रहा हूँ ना इसलिए.
अच्छा लड़की
Oh.
देखने जा रहा है. ओह
Awesome answer.
यार शादी में भाई जरूर बुलाना.
हाँ भाई शादी में जरूर आना.
He will not call you, Yash.
Yes, again he'll take 2,000 rupees to him also.
हाँ. Satya, no,
2000 नहीं
for
भाई.
Satya 501 rupees is enough.
शगुन होना ही चाहिए, right?
Actually, I was
शगुन
thinking
कुछ
of
नहीं होना चाहिए.
101 rupees, but again I thought 501 would be better.
शगुन
सत्या?
तभी शगुन कहलाता है जब उसका रकम एक नहीं, सॉरी 100 नहीं 101 हो.
Satyavrata,
Yeah, bro.
we will give you 501 rupees in
Yeah,
lifafa,
sure, bro.
in
Yeah.
envelope, okay?
There are no gifts. Gifts.
Gifts for
Yeah, that's what envelope
Yeah.
is the gift. 501 rupees.
and
Oh,
500
okay.
and me and Rakesh together we are giving 501 rupees.
Oh,
My God, that much we are spending. That too on Satya.
Yeah, me
oh, where are you now?
200,
You are in
250,
forest.
250 rupees 50 paisa. He himself also 250 rupees 50 paisa.
Uh,
Great.
500 में एक हो गया.
सत्या भाई हमें भी लड़की देखनी है दिखाओ.
Bhai, how how are you alive in the space without the astronaut suit?
He's Satya Brata Saho.
Yeah, man.
Now I'm
अंतर्यामी है ये.
yeah. I
Mr.
can survive
Saho.
anywhere.
अंतर्यामी. पहाड़ों में जाके बैठ गया.
No,
कहीं पे भी
he is
जाके
in
बैठ
river.
सकते
Huh?
No. He's
Going to
somewhere.
heaven or what?
on the way to heaven.
On the way to heaven.
हाँ, he's going to see that वो लड़की देखने जा रहा है तो
Oh,
on the way
Ranma
to
Urasi
heaven.
Menaka.
मतलब
Satya,
लड़की
be
अप्सरी है क्या?
aware, Satya.
अप्सरा है क्या?
Don't take a wrong route. Huh?
हाँ हाँ. लड़की अप्सरा है क्या?
अप्सरा अरे भाई
Nice back.
इसको अप्सरा चाहिए इसे.
Yeah.
Satya, I
So
saw
I
on
came
WhatsApp.
to know that Satya is
Quite popular.
लड़की को देखने जा रहा है.
हाँ
He's a very
ऐसी
best singer on that.
ऐसी
still
वैसी
Satya-
लड़की नहीं अप्सरा
सत्या ये
देखने जा
सारी
रहा
चीज है ना, सत्या ये सारी चीज रिकॉर्ड हो रही है.
Yo.
तो सत्या सावधान रहो, सतर्क
Who
रहो.
started this? Who started? Only yes, Raj.
I didn't say anything bro.
सत्या डोंट टेक टेंशन. अब नौकरी मिली तो छोकरी मिलेगी. आप
That's true, Raj. That's true.
That's true.
एनटीटी में तो नौकरी मिलेगी ना, छोकरी आसानी मिलेगी.
3.5 years in, I didn't get any chakri.
You were not in office, no. That is why you didn't
Hey,
get
2 years I was there, right?
सत्या, what is the criteria, man?
it.
For Satya is like बस कोई लड़की मिल जाए चलेगी.
अच्छा, like जैसे भी चलेगा, काली गिड्डी.
बस लड़की होनी चाहिए.
Actually, ये सब जो मतलब कहना है, ये अंदर से आ रहा है यशराज का. तो यशराज का फीलिंग्स यही सब है. कोई भी बस मिल जाए.
भाई हम
बस
तो
काम मेरा ले
सन्यासी
रहा है और
इंसान
कुछ
है.
नहीं.
I'm a saintly person. मैं मोह माया से ऊपर उठ चुका हूँ ब्रो.
Oh, अच्छा.
Oh
I
man, I
think
think
your group is very interesting, man. Really. Morning group, they are very serious. They pay a lot of attention in the thing. Because of Satya, I think.
we always have fun.
Okay, no problem, guys. I think definitely we'll get. Okay, so let's come to the topic, guys. I think we have like very less time now. 1 hour. I need to complete some 2-3 topics here. So I think it's clear, right? So how spanning tree works, when links go down, redundancy links works, how to select the root and non-root bridge,
Yes.
right? Okay, fine. So now we'll do the other part of the sessions now. So now next, what I'm going to do now, like inter VLAN, we'll do communication. Inter VLAN. So communication will do it. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do now. So let's assign the IP address, guys. I'll not use the DHCP now. Okay. Let assign manually. Okay. So I'll start with the IP address. Please help me out. So I will take 192.168.1.1. So gate will be same. And this guy. So I'll share this file, guys. This is 3, right? I'm using Control C, Control V for copy paste. It will work here. So can they communicate with each other, guys? Four, 5. Can they communicate with each other?
Yes.
Yes, Taj.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so let's check with first guy. So before checking, first make sure that check the IP address. IP config. So this is the 1.1. So let's ping 192.168 1.2, right? Okay, I got the reply, right? So check for 3. Yes, I do have reply. 4. Yes, I do have reply. Then 5. Yes, 6. Yes, so all I have the communications. Okay, so just as I'm connected the PC, then as on the IP address, as you know that by default it will communicate with each other. So now we'll create the VLANs now. The next task is this is 1, and next is 2. Okay, we'll create your VLANs. Okay, I will create VLAN 10, 20, 30. Okay, so how I can create, guys? I think yesterday someone has done, right? So go to global configuration mode, VLAN 10. So name I will give cyber security team. Okay, then VLAN 20. So name I will give cloud security team. Then VLAN 30. Is it I'm going fast, guys?
No, it's all right. We can follow.
Yes, Taj, little bit fast.
Okay. Okay, so now we can see just I have created the 3 VLANs, VLAN 10, 20, 30. I have given the name. That's it. I have not done anything. Okay. I think you might know, right, how to create the VLANs, right?
Yes.
So now check do show VLANs. Okay. So as per our requirements, we have created the all 3 VLANs. So now what I'm going to do, so as per the topology, okay, so 1 and 2, okay, I will assign the ports to your cybersecurity team, and 6 and 7, right? 6 and 7, I will assign ports to VLAN 20, and 11, 12. 11, 12, I will assign for the VLAN
30.
30. Okay, so how can I do that? Interface, exit from here. Interface, range, right? Pass Ethernet 0/1 and 2, right? First 2 ports. Okay, first these 2 ports.
One.
First these 2 ports. So I'm going to assign it. So go to that interface, to whom you want to assign. So what I should do now? Switch port mode access. Switch port access to which VLAN? VLAN 10. That's it. Okay, same thing for other interface. Other interface are, I think 6 and 7, right?
7.
Yes.
Because why I'm giving this complicated number means just to pay you attention, guys. I can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay,
Yes.
6 and 7. Okay, then same command you repeat. Okay, switch port mode access. Switch port mode access VLAN 20. Correct? Same thing. Interface 11 and 12,
11
right?
and 12.
Yes.
Okay, 11 and 12. So this is my switch port mode. This is the access port. Switch port access VLAN
30.
30. Yes, good. Now you check show VLANs, right? So as per our requirement, we are assign the ports now. Okay. Got it, guys?
Yes.
So now you check the connectivity now. Can they ping?
They can't.
Right? They can't ping, right? If you check all the things right from scratch, 3, it will not ping. Even 4, it will not ping. It will not get replay from that PC, right? 5, it will not ping. Even 6, so no communications. So how we can do that? So I want to make them communication. So here we are going to discuss, that is your, sorry. Okay, we'll do the trunking.
Rankings.
Okay, we'll do the trunking. So for do the trunking, so let me add some other devices here. So I want to make them communication and I want to put them into the same VLAN. So what I will do, so I will connect some other LANs here. Here also I will create the same one. So what I will do, I'll add two VLANs here. Let's take connected this one. So here I will connect port number 1 to this switch. And this one connected to port number, same thing. How we did to that PC, same thing here also we'll do it. So here we will connect, I think 6 and 7, right?
Yes.
And this guy, think 7. So let it be 2. Okay. Okay, let's put it like this. Because I want to add some design here so that you can understand here. So let me take blue color. This guy belongs to, I'll put it in VLAN 10, and this green color, this guy belongs to
And
the
20.
VLAN 10. And same thing for this guy also. Okay, and this guy also belongs to your
VLAN 10.
VLAN 10. So it could be better if you write it down. So it could be good if you write it down to avoid the confusion. So this is belongs to your VLAN 20, right?
10.
VLAN 10, yeah, yes, good. VLAN 10. And this guy also belongs to your VLAN 10. And this guy is your VLAN 20. And this one also your VLAN 20. Okay, so now IP address. Start from, you want me to write the IP address here?
Yes.
So what is IP address? We'll start from this guy. So what is IP address? 192.168.1.1, right? /24. Correct? And this guy IP address is 1.2. You want me to increase the size, guys, of the screen?
No, it's okay.
Okay. And this guy will change the IP address to, will change this network as this 2.1. Okay. So we'll copy and paste it here. This is 2.2.
2.2.
Okay. Same /24. And same thing, this guy here, I'll put it in the, this is, I think we'll keep it 1.5/24. 6/24. Okay, so this all the network. As per this one, we'll assign the IP address now. Because you know why I'm doing this, because one network and this blue color belongs to the same network. First understand this, guys. Okay, blue color belongs to the same network. and green color, the VLAN 20 belongs to 2.0 network. Let me write it down this one. This is 192. Paste is there, right? 2.0 network. Okay. If you want, we can write the IP address. Just anyhow, I'm share these files. And you're able to open in your packet tracer. Okay. So now I will assign the IP address, right? I think for this I have not assigned the IP address. Okay. I think this is 168. This is 1.5, right?
Yeah.
And this is 1.1. This is 1.6. And this is done. And this we need to change, right? This one we have to give. This is 2 network, right? 192.168, 2.1. This is 2.1. I think you can able to understand the IP addressing concept, right? What I'm doing here.
Yes.
This is 2.2. Okay, so can it able to ping now? We can check the IP address, right? For
Yeah.
this guy, we have the IP address. Yes. I think we need to change this guy also, right?
Yeah.
So this
2
is 2.3 or 4 we can give. Gateway is same. And this guy. This is 2.4. 2.2, I think we have given already.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
2.1.
2.1. So can they ping now?
Yeah.
Check what is IP address for this PC. This is 2.4. So can it ping to at least their own network?
Yeah.
192.168
Yeah.
in 2.1?
Yes.
It's pinging.
Should. No, it's not.
No, it's not pinging.
Oh no.
It's not pinging, right?
No, not pinging.
Okay, what about 2.2? Even though this green color, so green color belongs to the same network, right?
Yes.
You check this guy, it belongs to the same network. But it's not pinging. And what about this guy? Can I ping from here to its own network? This blue color, IP config. He is 1.6, right? So ping to 192.168. I think 1.2 is there. So it's not pinging. But 1.6 it will ping. You know why?
It's his own network.
Same switch.
IP.
See, understand here. 1.6, 1.5 belongs, it is connected directly to the single switch.
Same switch. Yes.
Same switch. Okay. But our intention is not like that. They will communicate. If you ping these two, they'll ping. If you want to check, this is, let me show you this one also. So IP config. So this guy is 2.1, right?
Yes.
So ping, so 192.168, I think 2.2, it will ping, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, these two pings and these two can ping because they are connected directly to this switch.
Same switches.
And these two switches is, PCs can communicate with each other, and these two cannot communicate. Right. So now even these, your blue color, so blue color PCs, we cannot communicate even though they belongs to the same VLAN. Right. If you check in your PC, suppose if you check show VLANs, okay. So we have not created any VLANs here, right?
Yes.
right? We are not created any VLANs. Okay, so we have to do it right now.
Yes.
Okay, so let me create that. So VLAN 10 name. So what name I should give? Let me give cyber security team. Okay, VLAN 20. Okay, name I'll give cloud security. Okay, then VLAN 30. Name I'll give network security. So now we can see show VLANs. So we have created the all three VLANs. Both VLANs are same, right? This switch and this switch. So can they ping now?
No, we have to put the interfaces to the VLANs.
Yes, very good. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so go to interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 belongs to which VLAN?
VLAN
VLAN 10,
10.
right? So
Yes.
switch port mode axis, switch port
Support
axis,
access.
VLAN
VLAN
10.
10.
That's it. Okay, now go to which interface now? I think 6 and 7, right?
Yes.
6 and 7. Then give switch port
Access
mode
VLAN.
axis, switch port axis VLAN, this time 20. All right. Now we check show VLANs. Okay, now we can able to see, right? This all interface.
Yes.
Okay, so VLAN 10 and 20. So we are assigned the ports. Correct. Now can they ping now?
Yes, they should.
Okay, so let's check. Blue to blue I'll ping. Okay, this blue, bottom blue to your third blue. I think you can see it. Blue I want to ping. So first check what is the IP address of this guy. This is 1.5. So ping. So 192.168. I think this guy is 1.1. Cannot ping. It's not pinging. So any idea, guys? We check for 2. Even though VLAN 10 I have created, I assigned the ports also for the VLANs, but still it's not pinging.
Devices connected in different switch.
Okay, so for that, what we have to do? We have to do your trunking. First, we'll do the trunking for this switch. Okay, how to do the trunking? Go to global configuration mode. Okay, go to the interface. Which interface? Gigabytes, right? 1 and 2. Right? I think we should give the range. RA. Okay. So switch port. Okay. So here we give the question mark. Okay, it will give these options. We can select the trunk. So set the trunk characteristic of your interface. Okay, switch port trunk. Okay, allow VLAN on. Okay, so then give no shutdown. Then come to this interface. Same thing here also we should give. So go to global configuration mode, interface gigabyte 0/1 and 2. I think I forgot to give the range. Okay, switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port switch port trunk. If you give allow VLAN, if you give all, we can see the parameter. If you give the question mark, it will help you guys. Okay, done. So give the no shut. Now link is coming up, right? You can see, right? Both are down now. You can see, right?
Yes.
To type show span. So see here, both are, one is listening still here, root port. Right, both are into listening state. So how to check the trunk interface, show interface trunk. You can see the gigabytes 1 and 2 mode are on. Encapsulation is 8.1Q. Status is trunking. Right? The same thing. Now we can able to ping. Same thing will ping. So now we are in which PC? I think we are into 1.5. So let's check with what is the IP address for this guy. So ping 792.168, I think 1.5. You should assign properly to the interface. I think you have missed something. So it must ping. Check the IP address for this guy. IP config 1.1, this guy, and check for this guy. What is IP for this one? 1.2, and check for this guy. One dot 5. So let me check now. Timeout. This is 1.6. Okay, perfectly is done. Let me check the spanning tree protocol. Show VLANs 1 and 2, 6 and 7. Check whether properly we are connected. This guy is 1 connected. This guy is 2. And this guy is 6 and 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. So let's check this guy. Two VLANs. 1 and 2, 6 and 8. So this guy connect properly. It's connected. This guy is connected to 12. Oh, you can see, right? We are connected to 12 interface. And this interface is connected to 11. And this interface is connected to 7. Means this we should connect where? We should connect to 1 and 2. 1 and 2, right? So what we'll do? We'll remove and we'll connect that, right? So how to do that connection? I think do show VLAN. Okay, 1 and 2 is assigned in this interface, but we have connected to the wrong interface, right? So we can delete it. We have delete these two and manually you connect it. Here is 1 and 2. Someone has connected 1 and 2. Oh, these people has connected servers.
To the servers.
Yes, server connected. Delete this link. This is a good rest. We are doing some troubleshooting, right? 1 and 2. So now let's check. Now it should ping to 2. Now it still is up, still is coming up. Interface is done. Can you see here?
Yes.
Still it is done. It will take time to come up. So there we can see, I think -T to continuous pinging. I think in packet tracer is -T for continuous pinging. Now we can ping, right?
Yes.
Right. I will remove that -T. So I can able to reach, right? The same thing for one more is 3, right? 1.2 and one more is 1.4. 4 is there. 1.1 is there. Yes. 1.2 is there. So let's check from that side, from this to this. Okay. From this PC. So IP config. This is 1.2 now. So I'll ping to this last PC, 1.5. Ping 192, 168, 1.5. So I can reach, right? 1.6. Yes. So this VLAN is done. So what about this blue? Sorry, green. So green. So what is IP address for this guy? So IP config. This is 2.1, 2.1 and 2, right? So let ping to 192.168, 2.3. Yes, I can reach, right? So 2.4. Yes, I can reach. Means, so here, like green color, they can able to ping, and blue can able to ping. So even though they have connected with a different switch, but they belongs to the same VLAN. So even though it belongs to the same VLAN, they cannot communicate without making the trunk link. Okay. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will save this
Yes.
file. Okay, let me create one folder for you guys. I will create the same folder. CCNA batch what? Batch 2, right? Yes. Yeah. For them, I think morning I had done the same lab with a different concept. If you want, I'll send you that one also. So let me send that where that file will be stored in users. Within Cisco packet tracer, save CCNA batch 2. Okay, so this is the file. What we did now. I think it will not send you. Okay, it will go to Anshika. Wait. She will get confused. What has sent me? I think it is open. I think it will not send. So we can open from your side there.
Yeah.
Replace existing one.
Replace you can.
Replace. Need permission.
People who join the chat later.
Okay. So you can open this file, guys, right now from your side.
It's okay.
Okay, I think all you received, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can we jump for other lab, guys? Okay, one more thing I'll show you guys. If you want, we can copy this one, same thing for your wasting our time. Control C, Control V. Okay, then you can put it side or down. Okay, so just open this one, just write erase. We can do right from scratch. Enable. Okay, write erase. Enter. Then reload. Everything will be deleted. Same thing. This switch also enter. Okay, enable. Write erase. Okay, and guys, if you got if you given the wrong command, so this will come, guys. Don't get scared. There's a command like Control Shift W, I think, or 5. RS, you just pass this forward. It will open. Okay. So right erase and reload. Okay. All the configuration will be deleted. You can see, right? No configuration. Show VLANs. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
And if you see this topology, what I did, so all will be there still. You can see show VLANs. So we can see this all VLANs, whatever you made. So we can see. Rakesh,
Yes, sir. Yes, Taj.
अर्थ आया था? Is it interesting lab, guys?
So,
Yes, it is
Doubt
interesting.
ಇದೆ.
yeah, interesting, but
Interest.
it's
Yeah.
I'm feeling little hard. I'm feeling little hard to understand the commands. I mean, how do we remember the commands?
Okay. So what I will do, guys, for that one also I'll solve your problem. Let me delete this one. For the commands, what I will do, so I'll go to this switch, show run. Okay, it will show you all the commands, guys. What are the commands I had typed? It will show you all the commands. Show run. Host name, how to give the host name. Okay, and how to give the switch port mode access. So let me copy this one. So copy. So what I will do, I'll paste it here. This is my switch one command. I can paste. And this is my. Is it okay, guys? Like this? And same thing, I'll copy whichever the commands I have given. So we can copy and paste. This is also your switch two commands. Switch one. This also switch one. There we can see all the commands, guys. Same thing for this switch because I have not copied completely. Still it's there. So this part, interface 11. So copy and paste it here. And same thing for this switch.
Yes.
Right? Show run. And trunking command also is there. I think trunking command, let me show you. It is a trunking command. Yeah, so this command I have not copied. So it could you also copied. Let me copy it for this entirely for trunking, which are not copied here. Yeah, so this is switch port mode trunk. Let me copy right from scratch here. So what I will do, I'll copy all. I'll remove whichever is required. One by one, I cannot copy. It takes time. So copy. So this is my switch 2, right? This is my switch 2. Okay, paste. So now we can remove whichever you want. So all things are there, all the commands. So I think these are the, let me. So these things are not required. Where right from this, right? Delete. Okay. 24 also we are not used. Whichever the ports we are not used, just delete it. And this one also not required. Last one. So now I think all the commands are available. So even this one also not required. I think 5, 3, 4, 5, and we not use these ports. So now it is makes sense, guys. All the commands is here. You want me to send this file now? Or you check by yourself by typing show run to my topology? How you want?
No, we'll check the commands by show run.
Yeah, show run. It could be better to you just play with the devices, guys. Show run. It will show you all the commands. First, copy the topology, or is first you design your topology, guys. Just you can understand. So this all option, what are the option I explain here. At the same time, you can able to understand this all. Okay. So whichever you feel, so you can use your labs. So is there any question, guys? Can I go for next lab now?
Taj, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Can we able to ping VLAN 20 of switch 1 to VLAN 10 of switch 2? Different
Yes,
VLANs.
we can ping. For that, we need to use the router on stick. You must use the routers. Then you can able to communicate. There, the router will come into picture. We need the router for that. Okay, so that lab will do now. Okay, that lab we are going to do now. So I'll use the same one, guys. Okay, so let me because I'll open new one so that I can send you. So let me take one router here now this time. So I will take one router and so one switch. Then I will take some end user devices. So this time, let me connect manually. So this time I will take one to this PC and two to this guy. So I will take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this time. Okay, so now how to connect to the router, guys? So here what I will do. So I will take this straight through cable or the crossover. So let me take ALTO. Okay, so let it connect to this switch. Okay, it has connected gigabyte 0/0 to 7. Okay, so let me take one more interface. I'll take ALTO this side. Okay, I'll connect to 8. So this time, guys, the scenario is different, guys. So what I'm trying to do in this lab is, so let me create the new one. So this is my router, which I have connected, and this is my switch. So I think I have connected. We'll take 4 for PC, guys. We'll not take server now. So which is connected to these all ports. I'm using the 2 interface. Okay, this is my gigabyte 0/0/0, and this is gigabyte 0/0/0 interface, and this is my router. Okay, so which is connected for my fast Ethernet 0/7 and 0/8. Okay. And these interfaces are connected to, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'll divide this one. I'll put this is my VLAN 10 and this is my VLAN 20. Okay. This is my VLAN 10 and this is my VLAN 20. So as you know that, so they both can communicate with each other, right? So now I think Swati, right, asked me this question.
Yes.
Yes. So now as per this thing, so now I want to make them communicate with these two VLANs, which is different VLAN. So how I can do the guys? Any logic here, guys? So what we'll do means when this PC pings, okay, so it sent the ICMP package, right? The switch what it accept, it maintain its MAC address, it will route to this router. Okay, in the router, we are not going to configure any routing protocol, guys, as if now. Because doesn't require any routing protocol to be configured because it is connected directly. So as it is connected directly. So what we'll do? So this port number 8, I'll put it in VLAN 10. Okay. And this your port number 7, I'll put it in your VLAN 20. Means what are the ports I need to assign? 468.0/7, 3, and 4. Here, right? And this side, port number 8, 1, and 2. Correct? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the gateway for this now? The gateway will be your fast Ethernet, this one. Say example, this is my, so 192.168, and this I did not explain to first batch, guys. This is 1.1, and this network is 192.168. This is 2.1/24. Different, right? Both are different. Network, different VLAN. Without routing protocol, we can able to communicate with each other, guys. Okay, that is a lab here. So for first batch, I didn't explain because we have time, because morning time it take time for me to explain the spanning tree protocol for them. So they were asking some questions in spanning tree. So we'll do lab now for this. So we already connected. We can see. I think port number, which is the port number? I think this is. You can see at the port number 8 and 7 it is connected. So first we'll go to your this thing, guys. So now I'm going to explain the DHCP configuration, guys, in the router. If you want, I'll explain, or else we'll do it. What is the name of this one? We can say this is also we'll call inter-VLAN routing with two separate physical interface. Okay, so as we know, all these links are down, right? So we have to get the IP address for that. So first jump to your switch where we need to give a lot of commands. Okay, go to global configuration mode, give the host name. I'll give NTT switch 1. Okay, so I will create the VLAN. So name I will give NTT. So NTT HR team. Okay, let it be, guys. Okay, then we will VLAN 20. So name I will give, so NTT management. So now I need to assign the ports, right? 1 and 2. So how do I assign 1 and 2 and 7, I guess? Let me check properly, guys. Let me show you exactly. Other wrong interface. Show interface brief. Then only we can see. Show IP interface brief. So here we can see which are the ports are connected. Okay, 6, 7. You can see these all ports are connected. You can see 7, 8 also connected. It's showing down because of the router. Because router, we have to assign the IP address. Then only it will come up. Okay, 7 and 8. Okay, so what are the ports we should assign for the VLAN 10? Guys, you're following me.
Yes, somewhat Taj. Like
About
it's
Swati,
little
Lakshmi,
fast.
Saundarya, Vikas,
Yes.
Piyush, Vidya Bharati, are you there? You are getting, or it just is bouncing from your head?
Getting. We're getting it.
Getting, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you're not getting, no issues, guys, because you know we are more faster than your batch one. So this lab I didn't explain them morning.
Okay.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, so let me assign the IP addresses here. And this is 192.168. This is 1.1/24.
1.
And this interface is
192.
2.1.
2.
2.1 means different, right? Different network. 2.1. Okay, so first what we'll do, first go to router, guys. Go to CLI. So whenever you would like to enter the initial configuration dialog, please type no. Yes means what happened means it will ask you the initial configurations for IP header, DNS, DSCP, your server name, username, password, all the detail it will ask. So it's not required for us now. So same command, guys, how we are using the switch. We can give the host name router R1. So go to interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Give the IP address. So 192.168.1.1. So give the subnet mask.
255.
Is correct, right? It's a class C, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Okay. And you no shut. You can see, right? It's coming up, right? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So come back and go to gigabyte 0/0/1 for this side. You can see the interface name, right?
Yeah.
There. Okay. So go there. So now I will assign the IP address
IP.
for this. 192.168.
2.1.
2.1 and give the subnet mask. Okay, give no shut. So now it is come up, right? Then type N, show IP interface brief. You can see these two interfaces are total 3 interface, 2 interface. We have given the IP address. Okay, so router job is done. Okay. Now we can see this also is coming up. So now in the switch, what we did, just we have created the VLANs, right?
Yes.
And we are not assigned any IP address yet. Okay, if you type show IP interface brief, so now we can see this 7 and 8 is coming up, right? It's come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we'll assign the ports to your VLANs and make them access VLAN, access ports. So go to global configuration mode, fast Ethernet 0/1, 1 and 2. Okay, and then 7 also we have to make, right? Give comma and give 7.
Range, I think you.
Yeah, I think individually we have to give RA.
Range.
1 and 2. Yeah, range means it will understand. RA means it will accept your router operating system. If you want, we can type RANG if you are good in typing, because I'm not good in typing. That's the reason I'm using shortcut words. Okay, so then what next? Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10, right? So give no shutdown. So now we can see next port now. So interface range pass Ethernet 0/. Now which port? 1, 2, I think 3, 4, I think.
3, 4.
Which port it is? This guy is 3. Just drag like this, we can see the port name on the label there. This guy is 4. 3, 4. 3 and 4. Okay, switch port. Tell them you are the access port. Switch port, access, VLAN 20. With a no shot. Okay, one more thing we have to miss, right? Okay, that is pass Ethernet 0/8. We have to put them. Okay, what we are doing means 8 port we are assigning in VLAN 20. So what I'm trying to explain here is, so these two VLANs which are belongs to will. Let me take coloring. So these two belongs to your VLAN 20 and these two PC belongs to your VLAN 10. Okay, the VLANs, this port number 7 are we are assigning for the VLAN 10 and port number 8 we are assigning for your VLAN 20. This is my VLAN 10 and this is my VLAN 20. Okay, so let's do that. So this is pass Ethernet. Tell them switch port. Okay, mode. We have to tell them this is access port or trunk port.
Access.
Access port.
They will be getting traffic of single
Switch port access belongs to VLAN 20, right? Let's check. Show VLANs. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, and 8 belongs to your VLAN 20. Okay, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, there's one more port we have to configure. That is 7, right? So go to global configuration mode, interface pass Ethernet 0/7, switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access for the VLAN 10. Okay, so now we have to give the IP address for your PC, right, to communicate. So 192.168.1.1. This is 1.2, right? 1.2 we have given for your router, right? This is 192.168.1.1. Is it correctly I'm doing, guys? And same thing for these laptops. This is 2.2. This is 2.1. So I think they should communicate with each other, right? These two success, right? And these two, they can, right? So now different VLAN fail, right? Now check once again. Success. Got it, guys? Now different VLAN also we can able to communicate. See this VLAN 10 and this PC. First time packet will be dropped. Let me show you that one also. One important point I want to show you here. Let's ping 192.168.2.3, I guess. So we're getting reply, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want to show you one important things. Let me add one more. You see, again, you'll get confused. A lot of load is not good. Now we can able to communicate with each other, right?
Yes.
So these PC different VLAN also we can able to communicate. Understood, guys? Okay, I'll save this file to your batch 2, and this is your lab 2, and this is we inter VLAN using routers. Router. Okay, so I will also send this file right now. So you need permission. Why is asking permission with the same domain, man? We are in same domain, right? We are all entity domain, right? Why is asking permission? Why is asking permission? I don't know.
No.
So I hope, guys, it's very interesting. Suppose same thing, guys. If we same thing here also, we can copy, show, run. We can copy the commands. These all commands you can copy and paste in the notepad or this thing. For notepad also we can paste it. Any questions, guys? I think it is overloaded or still, because usually corporate training will be for 8 hours per day, guys. I have that capacity for 8 days training non-stop. Can I jump on next lab? Router on stick. I think Vikas is very eager to learn. It is get overloaded or like your bandwidth is full.
It's overloaded, I guess.
The sarcastic,
overloaded.
In a sarcastic way.
sarcastic laughs is showing that that's like enough for the day.
Yes.
Is it your mind?
What about Soundarya, Lakshmi, Swati?
She already gave the sarcastic laugh.
Okay. Hey, don't worry, Satya. Like definitely, I think after completing this training, so definitely you will get it what you want.
I thought you were saying about the certification.
Certification, that is a target I given 31st December. So I'm sure I think all people will complete your CCNA certification. That is my result when you passed. What about Swati, Lakshmi, Saundarya, Vidya Bharati, Varun, Piyush?
Saundar is dying to do marry.
He is asking about the course training.
Training is asking about Satya.
Sorry.
So how?
My
many,
bad. Sorry.
How many people are bachelor? How many people are like still
Committed.
Everyone.
still flying on the sky?
Bachelor.
In
Who the
our team,
people are
everyone
smiling?
understands.
Who the people are smiling and showing
I
their
think
teeth?
I think Varun, you're bachelor or what?
Bachelor.
Somebody is raising hand. Varun.
I think I must ask question who are not bachelor.
Yes, that would be the correct question.
Oh, yes, exactly.
Somebody raising hand. She is not bachelor.
Hey.
Okay. I think Vikas is very shy, man. Whenever the marriage talks come.
He is showing his battisi.
If you want to know the desperate one, that is Satyavrata, Mr. Sahu.
Oh my God.
No, I am not the desperate one, bro.
He's very much eager for it, I guess.
Don't worry, Satya, because anyhow आपको तो नौकरी मिल गई है, अब तो जरूर छोकरी मिलेगी, डरो मत भाई.
Our
Yeah,
objective for this course is to get certification, and Satya's
Yeah.
objective is to get married.
Jaya Kishori.
That's me.
Who is saying?
Yeah.
Who is saying? See, who is saying?
I think Rakesh. I think.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's me.
What's that mean?
Actually,
Jaya
he
Kishori.
can't stop the laughing. That's why he just turned off the camera.
Yeah.
we want to play safe,
Satya,
bro.
yeah, Satya want to grow further only to connect
Get
to Jaya Kishori.
Jackie Chan, yeah.
Hmm.
You will be the medium. I'll use you.
Uh,
I'm